This is how you create a new project inside the portal. You're going to go to the New Project button. You're going to fill in the website URL. Hit Next. Then you're going to copy and paste this code in the footer before the closing body tag. We're using Webflow as an example. Don't forget to save changes and also publish. Next, we're going to test our link. We can see that the toolbar was installed on the bottom right. Don't forget to sign in if you want to add a comment. After successfully installing, you can add your client. Clients will only be added to this project. And that's how you create a new project inside of the portal.